So tonight, before I do a real estate shoot on a piece of land on the top of a mountain in Ashe County, I thought I'd do a little, what would I bring with me on a mountaintop shoot in Ashe County, North Carolina video. So I've got a supersonic HD monitor that's battery powered, and you can plug in various inputs, VGA, and then you also have, you can see there, the battery power, and that's very handy. I can give the realtor the ability to see what I see from the drone, and that puts them in the director seat. And I also always bring my mobile charger. You know, that'll just me to keep a battery charging while I'm flying on the other two batteries. There's my trusty Mavic 2 Zoom. Very, very impressed with that bird. Has been extremely good for me and behaves very well. I've not had any incidents with it. No crashes, no incidents. I don't want to curse myself, but I've been extremely pleased with that drone so far. I invested into the smart controller and hesitated, but never looked back. That has been a real asset to my business. I can see much better than I could with a phone, and the ability to fly a long distance and do everything I want to do and then some. It has been very good to have. You can see there it's got a HDMI out, as well as a card slot for a SD card and a USB. So very nice piece of equipment to go along with the Mavic 2. As you can, this is my hard case kit. I put my controller here. The drone goes here. It's got extra storage below. Got storage here for accessories and chargers, and then a slot for 3 batteries. This is the newest addition. I've got the goggles. This will be the first time I've put them on a realtor so they can get an immersive experience. I told her it would be like watching an IMAX movie, so I hope she likes it, and I hope it gives her the edge to see what otherwise she couldn't see until I was done. So stay tuned. I hope to have a little interview with her on that and come back for more.